How to activate Bank of America Loan Apply online. The best way to acquire a loan from Bank of America is to use their website on a web browser, either on your computer or your phone. When you go to the website, you can log in with your credentials if you wish. But this is not necessary for the first step. From there, you can either select the Home Loans or Auto Loans option from the menu at the top and review these options to see what works best for you. In both of these tabs, you will find the Manage Your Loan option at the bottom. When you click this, you will be directed to another page with full information and a connection to customer service if you have any additional questions. I recommend taking your time to read through all of this information if you are considering getting a home or auto loan from Bank of America. Once you find an option you like, you can simply follow the on-screen prompts and get an estimate of costs on the same page. When you click Apply Now for any loan, you will be redirected to a page that will ask you to answer a few questions in order to apply for the loan. Just follow the instructions and provide your information, and Bank of America will let you know if you've been approved for a loan. And if you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe.